Hello everybody and welcome back. I just wanted to let you know that I'm participating in the Three Rivers Challenge that is being hosted by Jessica. I'm a little late to the game here. I was preparing for a renovation in my condominium. I ended up having to book a hotel for a week where I ate a lot of takeout. I did bring my smoothies though, and I brought my Ninja to the hotel with me. But I am ready for some home-cooked meals. Now, to participate in this challenge, I have to do it my own way. And that is to just be more intentional about using items from my pantry. I'm doing this in a gentle and achievable manner that suits me and my household. So as you see right here, I'm making scrambled eggs because, like I said, when I was in the hotel, although I brought my smoothies with me, it was a lot of takeout. So when I came home, I was just really excited to use my kitchen. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I use items from my pantry. And one of the items from my pantry I canned 4 years ago. So I am happy to participate in this challenge. This week I made beef bone broth. I processed the bones 3 times in my Instant Pot. 2 times were under pressure and 1 was using the slow cook function. When it was all done, I pressure canned the beef bone broth. If you would like to see the video, I will link it in the information below. While I do intend to cook more meals from scratch, I recognize the importance of using what I have in my pantry, and here is an example of that. I'm heating up Heinz beans to add to fried mushrooms and sourdough bread. Now, this sourdough bread was purchased. What I do is I take half of the bag and put it in the freezer, so none of it gets wasted, because I don't eat a lot of bread. I'm now going to prep some lunches for my work week. And those black-eyed peas on the left, I canned those 4 years ago. So I am happy to take the opportunity to use these up. So on the left here, I have the jar of black-eyed peas that I canned 4 years ago. Some types of beans I do like to can in half pints. And there you go, January 2019. I have some chickpeas here that I canned in October 2021. On the left here is a cucumber, I have some celery, I have some sweet kale salad, and I have some cherry or grape tomatoes. I'm going to open up both of the jars, rinse the contents, and let them drain while I'm chopping the other vegetables for my lunches. I've washed my cucumber and now it's time to chop it up. I should have rinsed the tomatoes when I rinsed the peas, so I'm going to do that now. I've washed my celery and now it's time to dry it and chop that up. I'm now going to place the kale salad into the containers. I'm now going to place the grape tomatoes into the containers as well. Let's divide up the beans into the containers. I'm now placing the lids onto the containers, and they will end up in the refrigerator. Each day I will bring one of these containers to work with me, and on my lunch hour I will add cheese and salad dressing to these salads. The salad portions of my work week lunches are now ready. Lastly, we have ground turkey casserole. I haven't published the video for this recipe yet, but watch out for it in the information below where I will link it. I had actually wanted to use ground beef, but I didn't have any. This casserole consisted of a number of items from the Four Corners Pantry, including some fresh vegetables, some home-canned chicken broth, and, of course, ground turkey. So let's have a taste. This is absolutely delicious. I thank you for watching.